Okay, great. So I have shared my screen with you. I believe it is visible to you,
Yes,
correct?
yes, it is visible.
Yes.
Yes.
So it's rightly, you rightly said that, most of the attack happening through email, because it's the easiest way to reach anybody. And as per many survey, it suggested that more than 70% attack happening through email, and out of that 90% is phishing mail. So to protect all this kind of a mail like phishing, or be it a, bad link, or be it a ransomware, be it a zero day attack, you know we do have a solution which we call it as a Barracuda Essential. uh, it do offer all the incoming protections which you require to protect your email environment. So we start with 12 layer defense technology. So basically, whenever mail reach to Barracuda, we'll scan that mail for all the 12 layers, and then we'll find, okay, whether the mail is good or bad based on the analysis, and send it to you. So what it will do, basically, it will help you to protect against all the incoming spam and malware, as well as the outbound. It will also protect against all the zero day attack like ransomware, advanced threat, zero day attack, everything. Also, it will give a protection against all the kind of a spear phishing attack. Also, it does offer, you know the protection against all the link on URL which is there on that email. Generally what happen, you receive a mail with a bad link, and user don't know about that. They click on that URL, and their account may be taken over. So
Correct.
if we see that there is a link which is bad, so definitely we'll block it. you know so that's the kind of a feature we do have. And also we'll verify all the authentication, whether the mail coming from a genuine sender, whether they are DMARC verified, DKIM verified, or sender FIMOC policy verified, everything. Now with that, also we do have a few basics which everybody offer, but there are few unique point we also offer, like we do have our own IP and domain analysis reputation RBL system. So if you talk about any vendor out there in the market, especially for email security, they always rely on others RBL system. But Barracuda is the only email security vendor who offer their own RBL system. So we maintain our own RBL system, where we you know have the reputation of each and every IP and domains. Okay, and based on that we can detect whether it is a good or bad mail. We also offer quarantine mailbox. I think traditionally, if there is any mail quarantine, user can release their mail after seeing the subject or body and all these things.
Right.
We can also check the recipient. The another important feature we provide, like domain and language based blocking. So if you want to really block some kind of a specific language emails, like let's say you do not want to receive any email which is coming on Japanese language, so you can go ahead and block Japanese language. So any email coming in Japanese language will be blocked. Or same time, you also can block a particular country. So let's say you want that Afghanistan should not send a mail to you, you can do that. So all these things are possible with Barracuda email security. And the most important, email continuity. Email continuities will basically help, let's say in for an example, your mail server is down or your link is down, that's why you are not getting mail in your mailbox. But let's say at that time you want some mail to be responded quickly, or let's say someone expecting some urgent mail. So Barracuda give you a 96-hour continuity service, where user can log in and they can reply on their current mail.
Oh,
Good.
Exactly. So these are the feature which we offer to each and every customer. And to use this product, what you have to do, you have to change your MX record. Currently your MX record, I believe, pointing towards Netcore. So you have to change that and send it to the Barracuda Cloud service. And the licensing is very simple. It's a per user license, and you will get all the feature which I mentioned here in this slide. apart from that, you'll also get, a DLP feature and encryption feature. So if you want to block any, keyword or content which should not go out, you can do that. You know, you can also, you just mentioned like, you do not want to receive, spam mail and virus mail. Also, you do not want to send spam mail or virus mail. So Barracuda is the solution which will do, both incoming and outbound protection. So we'll block if your user sending a spam mail or your user sending a virus mail. We'll block that. So we do have, all these functions and feature which is required for each and every customer, and to protect their email infra and their email users. So this is basically, how Barracuda email security works. If you have any questions, you can please go ahead. I just try to give you a basic overview, but yes, if you have, some questions, you can go ahead.
I think most of the points are covered which I required.
Correct.
So I don't think so I have any question now.
Correct. So basically what you have to do, as I mentioned, if you want to try Barracuda, definitely you can, go for Barracuda trial license, and you can try it for your environment. So we can showcase you, how it is working.
Okay.
And also you have, please.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Also, we do have a different product which come with, Barracuda email security as well. That is a additional, product, you can say, or additional cost. That's basically help you to, serve your compliance. Let's say, I don't know whether you have any archiving solution or not, but
We have.
yeah, so we do have an archiving solution as well. So if you are really looking for archiving solution, yeah, we can give you an archiving solution as well.
Okay. We have the archival, like whatever the mails comes into the live mailbox, it automatically go to the archival and it's stored permanently there. So we
Yeah.
have that we have that facility. My question is like Manav bhai told me that there are two type of solution there. One is on premises and one is on cloud. So
Correct.
so can you guide me how, I mean, how